Hey, hi everyone. This is SkillSync AI, my project. So I built this from scratch. So what this application will do is like it'll take a resume and a target role from the user. It'll analyze the user's resume and it'll fetch the live job data from the internet, and it'll analyze and it'll generate a skill gap report, so which user can use and to fulfill his skill gap to get into the role. So the architecture is completely decoupled. So this application, like for front end, I used React plus Tailwind. So I used Docker for containerizing the application and deploy it in the Cloud Run. And my backend is using Python Fast API and Gemini 2.5 Flash for AI and analyzing things. So, and the backend also it's deployed in the Google Cloud Run separately. So let me quickly take to this demo of my project. So this is the landing page of my SkillSync AI. So you can use this get started for free button or sign up button to login. So I'll use a demo mail ID to register. So like it's temp at the rate gmail.com and password some random password. So we need to click. So once I hit a click create, so it will immediately created a user, so it will automatically redirect to the login page. So I need to use the demo mail ID and the password is, so I have logged into my account securely. So I implemented JWT tokens for secure login and session management. So from here, user can upload his resume, and we have option called use existing. If user already uploaded any resume, so it will display it here. So I'll upload a sample resume data to analyze it. So here is my sample resume, and here we need to provide a target role. So I'll provide a target role as a SAP developer, and this is the choose learning preference. So we can choose any of learning preference which we are good with. So I'm going coding projects. So once I click start analysis, this will take 30 minutes to process all. So at this time, what it will doing means it will fetch the live job data from our API, and it will send to the Gemini. So it will analyze this all job data and it will create a ideal profile. So using this ideal profile, it will compare against my resume, so it can find the skill gap in my resume. So it will take almost 30 seconds to 1 minute. So it's done, its analysis is completed. So here we can see two tabs, one is skill gap report and the one is optimized resume. So first we'll quickly go through the skill gap report. So in skill gap report we can see the skill match score. So this is skill match score is completely done by the Gemini. So it will use our resume skills against the ideal profile, so it will match. So we got around 40%, and we'll get a brief description about what we're having, what we are lacking. And in this session we can see detailed skill analysis. So here we are able to see what are the skills required for that targeted role. So along with that skill names, we'll get a status like whether we having the skill in our resume or partially having knowledge on that, or we completely match the skill with the resume. So if it's completely matching, it shows as a matched in green color. If it's completely missing, it shows missing as in red color. If it's partially matching, it shows partial in tail color. So on top the like if the skill is either missing or partially matching, we'll get a personalized plan learning plan. So here we'll get a three suggestions from the AI. So and along with that we'll get a estimated time to learn this. So as I selected a coding project, so it will suggest three or four things to do to completely learn the skill. And after that, the another main one is optimized resume. So this is also done by the AI Gemini. So Gemini uses our resume and optimize it, and it will generate the ATS friendly resume. So simply we can like copy it and we can paste it as a template. So we can use it, and we use it for applying more jobs with this. Yeah, and in future, I'm thinking to add a chart option. Like due to the time constraint, I'm not able to add this chart option this time. So in future, I'll add a chart option. I'll send this ideal job profile and user's resume to that AI as a context. So it can answer the user's queries and questions for the job profile or other questions. Yeah, this is overall about my application. Thank you.